Today we're making creamy cherry dips, and these are so easy and there is no baking. So the first thing we're gonna do is make our cream cheese cherry filling. You need 4 ounces of softened cream cheese and add 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. We're gonna go ahead and blend this with the hand mixer until it's smooth. Once you get your filling nice and smooth, we add in 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. I've drained a 6-ounce jar of maraschino cherries and I've finely chopped these.
Fold these cherries in well, and it gets that pretty pink color.
Now I like to use a piping bag or a piping tool, but you can certainly use a baggie for this and just transfer the cherry cream cheese mixer into the baggie. Go ahead and close that and roll it and snip the end off.
So I try to squeeze just a little round, sort of like if you were doing deviled eggs and filling them. What I find is the vanilla wafers need to be sitting on a paper towel or some other towel because they will start rolling and moving if you put them on your cookie sheet. And so you need about 30 bottoms and 30 tops. They are so good. Okay, they're going in the fridge for about 30 minutes to get cool. I like to place them on a metal cookie sheet because that stays nice and cold. We'll be back to dip them.
Now I went to the store and I got some chocolate wafers and I also got some pretty pink wafers. Microwave my melting wafers with about a forkful of shortening and in a glass bowl. And I use 50% power in 1 minute burst. Now normally when I melt real chocolate, I use 30-second burst. But these are melting wafers, so it's okay to go a little bit longer. You want to have a couple of cookie sheets lined with some wax paper. Our cookie, plop it into your chocolate, toss it with your fork, lift it, transfer it. Your chocolate is going to cool because that's what it's going to do. And then when you put these kind of chilled cookies in there, it's going to cool it a little more. So you may have to reheat this.
I think I want these to have hearts on them.
So after these have set up for about 30 minutes at room temperature, you just simply remove them from the wax paper. And sometimes you'll have a little bit of extra chocolate and that just pops right off.